I'm Jake Yencarelli, Base Camp Tampa Bay at Keller Williams Realty, Keller Williams University approved trainer, and I run a profitable real estate business out of the Clearwater Market Center in Tampa Bay. I've been in real estate 10 years, all with Keller Williams. In 2013, I moved to Florida from Oregon, got my real estate license, joined Keller Williams, didn't know anybody. I earned Rookie of the Year at the Market Center selling 15 houses. Fast forward, our team has sold over 350 homes for over 140 million in volume. In 2022, we earned the #1 team for gross commission income at the Clearwater Market Center, which was the #1 market center in all of the South Florida region. I'm on the path to becoming master faculty. I have taught and facilitated panels at Family Reunion, and I'm a 20-time Bowl graduate. I live, breathe, and follow the MREA models. I teach a class that's going to be engaging, entertaining, that your agents are sure to get action items upon leaving. It would be an honor to come to your market center and teach. I'm Jake Yencarelli, Base Camp Tampa Bay at Keller Williams, and I'll see you soon.